Hello friends and welcome again to this video. Today I will show you how to use promo codes on GNC website. This is a vitamin and supplement website, guys. To use this platform or coupon codes, scroll down, choose any offer, for example this one, and then just wait to loading this page. Scroll down and click, you see this icon, guys, save on everyday order and plus free shipping. Click this icon and choose the delivery and click add subscriptions to cart, or on the top right corner you see some offers like save up to 20 and one new subscription, and save, you can save 10 off military first response. You can just click deals for icon. From here you see all these deals, guys, you can use as coupon codes. Just click this one and get your deals. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give a like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video. So when you see this banners, green banner, just click this offer and you can use this as a promo codes, as I say, guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you on other videos.